Hello, welcome back to my weird, crappy YouTube channel. I haven't posted a video in a while, so I thought I'd do a video. We went out to a thrift store today, and I found a bag for $10 full of old padlocks. I plan on restoring some of these and selling a few, keeping some. So I thought, well, let's make a video out of it, just because. So I have a paper towel I'm gonna kind of lay them out onto. Comment below which one's your favorite. Alright, I'll just pull each object out of the bag, even if it's not a padlock. First thing I pull out is a Leatherman knife case, perhaps. Second thing, Corbin padlock. Some scratching in it, etching. Really cool side design. I like that. And I like how I like it the wedged like that. That's kind of cool. We'll put keeps over here on the right. Solid Dart Bronze padlock. I like that one too. Oh, sorry, did I drip something on you? Yale Junior. The Yale and Town Manufacturing Company. Yale Junior, made in USA. We'll put that in the middle. Lion. Don't be lying to me. Independent Lock. ILCO or JLCO. Fitchburg, Massachusetts. There's another Yale lock. Tinier version. Got some paint on it. Slaymaker from Lancaster. It seems to be a little more modern. Sherlock. Little itty bitty one. Another Yale, made in the USA. All kinds of labels on the back. This is befuddling to me. Here's another Corbin, the first one we looked at earlier. That wedged. We have an Eagle lock. Looks like the thrift store tried to sell them individually and did not do so hot, so they threw them all in a bag. There you go, Eagle. That's a pretty one. There are a few keys in this bag, so we'll see if they actually go to any of them. There's another Yale. This one's a jumbo. High grade pen tumbler, it says. Hardened. A best lock. All right, we have total of 1, 2, 3, 4 keys, looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. This one says Slaymaker. And that was... Which one were you? This one. Slaymaker. Can't really see it. Can't really tell. It's turning, but I can't tell if it's turning any tumblers, and I don't want to risk locking it and not succeeding. All right. Next we have is another Slaymaker. Maybe this will feel different. Same amount of movement there. Another key. Separate key here. This is boat on it. Let's remove that label. So someone had a padlock perhaps on their boat. Master. Master. All right, no. We had a master, didn't we? Do we have a master key? Corbin, Yale, a couple Yales, Lion, Yale. Okay, so this is a master key. Which is, I was hoping it would fit the brand master, but let's go through them one by one. No luck with that one. That's a really tiny key. I can't tell if this looks like it's been filed down, but maybe it'll work with the junior. Turns, but that one turns too, but I don't want to lock it. That's rather small. So, looks like no keys, at least for now.